a mountain crest where the wild eagles come to rest. Sequoia giants, old and grand, whispering secrets of the land. From the desert floor, a painted scene, to the rolling hills of emerald green. Oh, California, breathing slow, where the poppies and the lupines grow. Hum the crashing wave to the silent peak. It's the quiet peace my soul will seek. In this golden state I find my way at the closing of a perfect day. A gentle deer in the morning haze, lost in time through sunlit days. The ocean sings a steady tune beneath the silver, watching me from the rocky shore to the valley deep. Promises the wild will keep. Oh, California, breathing slow, where the poppies and the lupines grow. From the crashing wave to the silent